Hi, welcome to WP Chief. Before we start, make sure you have a current backup of your website. If you want to learn how to do that, click on the link in the description below. With that out of the way, here's how to update a WordPress plugin. The most common way to update plugins is to go to the Plugins section and simply click on Update Now. You'll then see a message that the plugin is getting updated. When finished, you'll see a green-colored Updated note. To update multiple plugins at once, you can go to Dashboard, Updates, tick the Select All checkbox and click Update Plugins. Depending on your server and the number of plugins, you'll probably have to wait a few minutes until you see a message that all updates have been completed. So what if WordPress plugin updates fail? There are two types of failures really. Failure 1 is that you will see a red banner saying that the update failed. In most cases, this happens to paid plugins when the license either has expired or isn't entered correctly. So depending on your plugin, make sure your license key is entered correctly. If that is not the reason, try again a couple of hours or one day later. Sometimes the server the plugin update is loaded from might not respond in time solves the problem. Failure type 2 is the bigger problem. That's when a plugin update leads to an error on the website itself, so that you can't do anything anymore. In that case, the easiest solution is to roll back using the backup you took before starting the updates. When it comes to automatic updates in general, try to avoid them as much as possible. Especially with plugins, something can go wrong very easily, so making sure you know when the updates happen and that there is a backup in place are very important. If you found this video helpful, subscribe and check out our other videos.